Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Love of Biology. Today we are going to learn about biogeochemical cycle. So what is this biogeochemical cycle? It is the movement of nutrients and other elements between the biotic as well as abiotic factors, living and non-living things. So the movement of the nutrients we are going to learn. So the way in which an element or compound like water moves between its various living and non-living forms and locations in the biosphere, we call it as a biogeochemical cycle. Water, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, so many elements are there, right? So they will move from one organism, that is living organism, to the other non-living organism. The movement, the way of movement, we call it as a biogeochemical cycle. Okay, so what is the use and what are the remaining things takes place in the biogeochemical cycle? So it enables the transformation of matter one form to the another form. So the byproducts of biogeochemical cycle assist the functioning of the ecosystems. In the ecosystem, this is the very important thing. And actually, what are the types of elements? The types of elements will be recycled. So they are of two types, micro and the macro elements. Micro means the which require in small amounts by the living organisms, so like boron, copper, molybdenum, zinc, so many. These are the micro elements. And the macro means which require in the large amount by the living organisms, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, potassium. So these are the macro ones. Okay. Next, biosphere. So, biosphere is a layer of the planet Earth where life exists. The biosphere is one of the four layers that surround the Earth along with the lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and it is the sum of all the ecosystems. Hydrosphere, so it is a water sphere actually. So, mostly covers the depressions of the lithosphere. Lithosphere is a rocky area, so the soil completely. So we call, so let us see here. So the lithosphere is in the diagram, and hydrosphere, so water areas, water sphere it is. So where oceans, lakes, all the water streams comes under the hydrosphere. Actually earth 70% it is covered with the water only. Fine. So next, so here in the diagram it is there, and next, lithosphere is upper rigid shell, and which is divided into central one, that is the core, central region, and the mantle, and the outer layer, uh, earth crust. So core, mantle, and crust, complete we call it as a lithosphere. Atmosphere, we know that it is a gaseous one which envelops the lithosphere, and hydrosphere is atmosphere. It contains many gases, various gases it contains. So here in the lithosphere, the outer one, if you see in the diagram, so we will see the different layers, and in the atmosphere it contains many gases it contain. Okay, so this is about the biosphere and the different layers of the biosphere. So where things are present. So where in the under biosphere actually. So in these things, because of these three things, hydrosphere, lithosphere, and atmosphere, the living organisms will depend upon. Okay, so then importance. So okay, biogeochemical cycle importance. So it is very important to regulate the elements on the earth by cycling them. Recycling is taking place, right, between biological as well as biological things. There is the physical aspects of the world. So there is the recycling of the elements. So this is very important to regulate that. And also it is a natural one, allows the continuous survival of the ecosystems. For continuous survival of the organisms, this is very important, and this allows the transformation of elements into usable form or utilizable form. As example, during nitrogen cycle, atmospheric nitrogen is transferred into the nitrates, which is very used by the organisms readily. This allows the utilization of nutrients in specific forms by the organisms, and the biotic abiotic elements of the ecosystem are linked by the flow of these nutrients. Okay, types of biogeochemical cycles, these are basically divided into two types, so gaseous and the sedimentary ones. So let us discuss them. Thank you for watching.